A is for acorn. B is for ball. C is for cactus. D is for donut. E is for egg. F is for fox. G is for grapes. H is for house. I is for island. J is for jellyfish. K is for koala. L is for lamp. M is for mushroom. N is for nut. O is for orange. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for radish. S is for snake. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.